Dear children, I am your maths teacher Pragna. Welcome you all to the concepts of integers. The Indian mathematician Brahmagupta is known to have used negative numbers starting around 630 AD. During this time, positive numbers were used to represent assets and negative numbers were used to represent debts. Let us see the meaning of integer. You all know about the number line. In number line, you are having 0 in the middle, left side you are having negative number and right side you are having positive number. All these numbers are joined together in the form of sentence to write the meaning of integer. So integer are the numbers including negative number, 0 and positive number. Now let us see different types of integer. There are two types of integer, positive integers and negative integers. The positive numbers are called as positive integer and negative numbers are called as negative integer. Addition and subtraction of integers. There are two rules for addition and subtraction of integers. First one, to add numbers with same sign, add the number, keep the sign of the numbers involved. That means here you can see example 1 and example 2. If you are having the like sign, if you are having the same sign in the question, then your answer will also contain the same sign. Plus plus is equal to plus and minus minus is equal to minus. Second rule states that to add number with opposite sign, subtract the number, keep the sign of the number with larger absolute value. All of you observe example 3. If you are having different signs in the given question, then you have to do the subtraction and put the symbol of greater number in the given question. Example, if you are having plus 2 minus 4, the first step is you have to take the subtraction. So 4 minus 2 is 2. After finding this answer, you have to put the symbol, and when you are putting the symbol, you have to check which is the greater number in the given question. And in this question, 4 is a greater number and 4 is having symbol minus, so your answer will be minus 2. Now let us see how to do addition and subtraction by using number line. First question, minus 5 plus 2. First you have to draw the number line having 0 in the middle, negative number to the left side and positive number to the right side of the number line. After drawing the number line, begin with minus 5 because in the given question you are having minus 5 plus 2. So begin with minus 5. The second number is plus 2. Remember children, whenever you are having addition symbol in the second digit, you are moving to the right side, and if you have negative symbol, then you will be moving to the left side. So here you are beginning from minus 5 and the second digit is plus 2, so you will move 2 steps to the right side. So your answer will be minus 3. Now let us see one more example, minus 2 minus 3. You are having the first digit minus 2, so begin from minus 2. Second digit is minus 3. Since you are having negative sign, you will be moving to the left side. As I have already told you, in the second digit if it is positive plus number, then you will be moving to the right side, and if you are having negative number, then you will moving to the left side. You are beginning from minus 2. Since you are having minus 3 as a second digit, you will be moving 3 steps left side. So your answer will be minus 5. Now let us see many more problems without using number line. The first problem here is minus 68 plus minus 33. Let us simplify that. You will get the answer minus 68. Plus minus here, reduce the symbol, so plus minus is minus, you are getting minus 68 minus 33. As I already told you in the rule of addition, like symbols are added. So 68 plus 33, that is 101, and like symbol minus minus is written with the same symbol in the answer. So your answer is minus 101. Same steps are followed by using the two rules to solve remaining problem. So second one, minus 45 plus minus 97. So your next step will be minus 45 minus 97. Since both the symbols are negative, minus minus, so you are adding both the number 142 and you are putting the bigger number sign, that is minus. Similarly, in the third question, minus 104 minus 278. So your answer will be minus 382. In fourth one, minus 418 plus minus 732. So your answer is minus 1150. Next one, minus 321 plus minus 805. Your answer will be minus 1126. Now let us see multiplication and division of integers. Multiplication of integer is similar to multiplication of whole number, except the sign of the product need to be determined. It means that the multiplication of integer is same as like the traditional method of multiplication, but only you have to make a note of sign. You are having two rules. The product of two integer will be same sign is a positive integer. If you are having two same sign like plus plus, then its answer will be also plus. If you are having two negative symbol minus minus, then your answer is again positive. If the question is having same sign plus plus or minus minus, then the answer is always positive integer. Second rule, the product of two integer with opposite sign is negative integer. That means if you are having the two number with opposite sign plus minus or minus plus, then your answer will be negative integer. Same rules are applied even for division. If the sign of a dividend and the divisor are same, then the quotient will be positive. That means in the question, if two symbols are same like positive, positive or else negative, negative, then the answer will be always the positive integer. And the second rule, if the signs are different, then the quotient will be negative. Now let us see some of the example for multiplication here. First one, minus 5 into plus 6. You are doing normal multiplication, that is 5 6 are 30. After doing the multiplication, remember this one, plus plus is always plus, minus minus, that is always plus, minus plus is equal to minus, and plus minus is equal to minus. Here, if you are having the same symbol, if you are having the same symbol in the question, then it is considered to be plus. Then your answer will be plus. If you are having different symbol in the question, then your answer will be negative. So let us see first problem. 5 6 are 30. But see the symbol there, you are having minus 5 plus 6. You are having different symbol in the question, so your answer will be minus 30. Second question, minus 10 into minus 5. First you do the normal multiplication, 10 5s are 50. Then you see the symbol minus minus. As I already mentioned in the right side, minus minus is always plus. Third one, 7 into minus 3. So 7 3s are 21. Plus minus is minus. So your answer is minus 21. Fourth one, 8 into 2. Both are positive. So your answer also positive. 8 2s are 16. Fifth one, minus 4 into minus 3. Both are negative. Both are having same symbol. So your answer will be plus 12. Answer the following in your activity notebook. Here the same steps are followed as you are done for the multiplication. Here 36 divided by minus 4. First you have to do the traditional method. 36 divided by 4, that is equal to 9. Then you are checking the symbol. You are having plus 36 and minus 4. If you are having opposite symbols in the question, then your answer will be minus 9. Try second and third one. Let us see now uses of integers in our daily life. After studying so much about integers, let us see where and all you are going to use this concept of integers in your daily life. At the beginning, you are using the concept of integers in thermometer. Whether your temperature is plus degree or minus degree or 0. It may be in Fahrenheit or it may be in the degree Celsius scale. The second use of this integer is at the end of the game your score gets balanced out based on the positive and negative points. So the integers are used to count the positive and negative points. Third use. Integers are also used to denote the direction, height, width and other weather readings. Integers are also used to calculate the profit and loss. If it is profit, you make use of the positive integer, and if it is loss, then you make use of a negative integer. Floors of the building. The floors above the ground level is considered to be positive, while the underground car parking levels are negative. Integers are also used in the savings and loan. Getting paid and savings are positive. Loans and debts are negative money amount. Thank you.